Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome profile name on your PC step by step. If you have multiple Chrome profiles or simply want to give your profile a new name, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, click You and Google from the left-hand menu if it isn't already selected. Now click Customize your Chrome profile. In some versions of Chrome, you may see your profile information directly on this page. You'll now see your current profile name. Click inside the Profile Name field. Delete the existing name and type the new name you want to use. As you type, Chrome will automatically update the profile name. If you'd like, you can also choose a new profile icon or color theme from this page to personalize your Chrome profile. There's no need to click a Save button because Chrome saves your changes automatically. Once you're finished, simply close the Settings tab. To confirm the change, click your profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome. You should now see your new profile name displayed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Chrome profile name. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.